Drink coconut water every day to balance blood sugar levels, burn fat and much more. Coconuts are rich in numerous minerals and vitamins as well as antioxidants and fatty acids that fight various diseases. They can be consumed in various ways and offer countless health benefits. Coconut water is the juice inside the young, green and undamaged coconuts, and it is a clear, sweet liquid rich in sugars, vitamins, minerals, electrolytes, enzymes, amino acids, and cytokines, and low in calories. Depending on the variety and size, each coconut contains 200 to 1000 milliliters of water. Here are the benefits you will experience if you drink coconut water daily. 1. Coconut water lowers the risk of having a heart attack, as it lowers total cholesterol triglyceride levels, and LDL cholesterol, specifically the cholesterol found in the heart. 2. Coconut water will help you improve digestion, strengthen the immune system, protect the liver, and stimulate the burning of fat, especially in the belly area. 3. This drink is rich in potassium, which will rehydrate the cells, and thus treat fatigue, relieve stress, detoxify the body, and soothe pain. 4. Being high in dietary fiber, coconut water will lower blood sugar levels, prevent diabetes, and improve blood health. 5. Coconut water is high in cytokines, which are plant hormones that have been found to possess strong anti-cancer properties. 6. Coconut water contains lauric acid, which destroys fungi, viruses, and bacteria, and treats infections. 7. It energizes the body and is an incredibly potent post-exercise drink that will rehydrate the body. 8. Calcium in coconut water will improve bone and teeth health. 9. Some of the electrolytes in coconut water, such as calcium and magnesium, lower stress levels and reduce muscle tension. 10. Coconut water is rich in saturated acids that strengthen the skin, boost the collagen production, and thus improve skin elasticity and prevent stretch marks, wrinkles, and other skin issues. 11. Due to their small molecular structure, the fatty acids in coconuts easily penetrate the cell membrane of the hair, so coconut water will regenerate the hair and make it healthy and shiny. 12. Coconut water is high in copper, which delays the cognitive decline due to aging, and protects the nerve cells from protein plaques that have been found to contribute to the progression of Alzheimer's disease. Therefore, start consuming this amazing and versatile healthy beverage, and reap all its health benefits.